How to unsync or unlink Gmail accounts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can unsync or unlink Gmail accounts. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So what you'll have to do is you will have to just open up your mail first. Make sure you're logged in. Now what you'll have to do is you'll have to go to your settings. On the top right area, you'll find a gear icon. This one right here, that is the settings. Open that up. Now tap on See All Settings option. After you tap on See All Settings, you will be on this section. So here you can find different tabs here. You can see General, you can see Labels, Accounts and Imports. You'll find Forwarding, you'll find Filters and Blocks, and many more. So what we're trying to do here is we're trying to unlink different Gmail accounts. That is, what you'll have to do is we'll have to stop the forwarding. So head over to forwarding and pop. And here if you have any forwarding email added, all you have to do is simply unselect that. So you'll find the forwarding option right here. Here you'll find another option that says disable all forwarding. So select that. And after you've selected that, all you have to do is tap on Save Changes. Do not forget to tap on Save Changes, because if you do forget it, your settings will not be saved and it will still be linked to the one that you're forwarding your email to. So it's basically that simple. Now, that's all for today's video as well. That's how you unlink different Gmail accounts from forwarding mails to each other. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.